felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change.
Hello friends, welcome to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video, I am going to be decluttering and minimalizing my hall closet here. It has gotten out of hand and it has been that way for way too long. If you are anything like me, 2020 has definitely shown me that living with less just helps me in so many ways. So come along with me and join me, and I hope it motivates you to declutter an area in your home. If you enjoy videos like these, minimalism, decluttering, cleaning, home decor, just homemaking in general, that you will click that red subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. And I would love to get to know you, so leave a comment down below. And I can't wait to get this started. So I will see you guys in the declutter. Alrighty, bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you...
Okay, now I've got the entire closet cleaned out. Obviously this closet probably needs a good paint job. We are not going to do that today. So this right here is actually a topper that goes on the dining room table that my grandmother had with that table that was inherited. So that is definitely going to have to stay here. But all right, I'm going to clean out the bottom of this, because I don't know if you can see it on camera, but look at the floor and the molding is disgusting. Okay.
Ever hit you, our conversation takes to paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh.
Here is everything that I pulled out of the storage closet. I wanted you guys to see it because I'm about to go through it. I did not pull that laundry bin out of there, but that is going to be my donation bin. So this is everything that we pulled out. I kind of wanted you guys to see it so you can see what I do with it. A lot of these coats and everything, I have not been through that closet since we moved in this house. So this tub right here was actually supposed to go to the master bedroom. It's got like sentimental things and things of my grandparents. The paper towels, I think I'm going to store those in the pantry closet just because it makes more sense. And then the coats and things, I need to go through and rehang those back up. And then that bin right there is a bin full of like bags. And I think what I'm going to do is distribute the bags based upon the person. So, and then I'll have a free tote. So, all right, here we go.
With his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. You're my best friend. Did Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatch.
Okay, you guys will see me here in this part of the video zipping all of the coats on the hangers. I usually do not do this regularly. I just wanted to today because I wanted the space to feel really neat and tidy, and I didn't want any of them to fall or slip off as I was putting them back in large groups. I am switching over to non-slip hangers to help with this, so I'm hoping that will help our problem. But I wanted you guys all to know that I am all about progress over perfection on this channel. As much as anyone out there, and being someone who has been diagnosed with OCD, it's nice to think that my house could be perfect, but the older I have gotten and having 3 wild boys and just life in general, that is just not a reality. And I'm actually happy with that. Like, I noticed when I filmed my Christmas video, I had a crooked wreath outside and a power cord showing on the inside. But it's real life, and I'm definitely not perfect, and my house is not a Pinterest perfect home. And I want to be here to help you guys get motivated and progress, not to try and be perfect. Just progress. Even if it's something tiny, just tackle it, minimalize the space, and I promise you guys will get motivated to do more. And it's like an old saying that I saw, don't be hard on yourself. The mom in E.T. had an alien in her house for days and didn't even notice. Okay, so I'll stop rambling, but I had to end on a joke because, I mean, well, it's just funny. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop. This is everything that I got to go to the Goodwill. I also wanted to show you guys this before I show you the closet, because Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to just get rid of this stuff and just let it bless somebody else. Here is the final result. I tried to color code the jackets as much as I could, but I kept mine on this side, Jeff's on this side, and then there's one for Britain. The boys' stuff usually stays in their closets, but what I'm super excited about is the floor is clear, except for my little bathroom cleaning supplies, and I keep those there because this bathroom that's behind the door right here actually has no storage to it. So the floor is completely clear, and I'm so excited about it. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more decluttering, minimalizing, and cleaning, make sure to click that like and subscribe button and leave me a comment down below, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here.